Hello, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. Thursday, the 18th of March. These are the charts of the day. Some of the stocks moving today and looking good with either strong consolidation patterns or continuation patterns or stocks that appear to be in motion. AP Pharma, APPA, had a very strong move today, jumping 31%, 31.5% or on 6.3 million shares. That's the heaviest volume as far back as we can go. Looks like this stock is headed for the 3.5 range. If it can get over the early February high, which is up around 2.5, that should be targeted short term. Today, its stocks surged from $1.56 to 206 and closed a penny off the high on heavy volume and broke back up through the 50, 10, 21, and 50-day moving averages. Significant session for APPA going forward. Star Scientific, CGIC, after a strong move, backed off yesterday and came on today again with a nice volume surge of 7.8 million shares, jumping 21 cents or 13%. Trading target on this one around 335, 350 zone. Low price Delta Petroleum, also a significant session, announcing that they've sold part of their lot for that they're drilling on, part of their acreage, I should say, for $400 million, significant amount of money for that firm. Stock jumped 30% or 41 cents today. Actually, one time was up 40%, backed off, but looks like short-term target of 230 could be reached, and with an intermediate-term target around 3.25. FNSR is having a great time of it today. In particular, surged more than 9 million shares and jumped another $1.23 or 8.7%, reaching a lateral price resistance level in the zone, but breakthrough is anticipated and a move towards 20 may be underway. Infologics, which had a huge move in February from $1.85 up to almost $10.85 in about 2 sessions, has then pulled in a beautiful, narrow, very quiet coil with pretty good underlying technicals. Just looks to me like the apex of this coil is being reached, and this stock is going to make a move, and maybe a dramatic one. Keep an eye on this one for pop to the upside because it could accelerate, retest the 10.5, 3/4 range up in this zone, and then if that's taken out, I have a target just under 15. Radware had a big day today. Again, it continues to move. When I say big, a continuing day, another new multi-year high, continuing to run towards the top of the channel. Maybe a date with 22 and a half short term, and longer term, I think the stock can make it into the high 20s, maybe low 30s. SOMX yesterday had a very strong price volume surge breakaway gap, and then today had a little bit of a follow through on lower volume, but I still think the stock has room to run as it has finally broken out of a 1.5 year long base. I'm looking for a move up to test the 24, 26 on up in these highs from back in mid-08. SOMX, star of the day today. As you can see from this long-term chart, multiple tops and resistance up in the $5 range. The stock blew through that like a knife through butter on FDA approval of a sleep drug. The stock rocketed from 3 3/4 up to 10.01 at one point, closing at 9.18, up 524 or 133% on monster volume of 46 million shares, by far the biggest volume ever traded in the stock. That's price volume surge, which breaks it out of a major base, is probably going to initiate additional price action. Would not be surprised to see this thing gap tomorrow and run another couple points, but over the course of the next few weeks, I'd look for something potentially in the mid to high teens. TiVo is consolidating beautifully in a nice tight bull flag. I wanted to display that for you after this huge price volume surge. This flag here augurs well for future price progress, and a breakout should lead to a quick move to retest the 17.90, 18 zone. Beyond that, looking for a move that takes it up near 20. And lastly for today, Pharmaset continues to roll on heavy volume in the last 3 sessions after breaking out across key resistance. As you can see, the longer term target right now is up around low to mid 30s. That may be reached on this move right here. That's it for tonight and for this week. You guys have a good Friday, and watch out tomorrow, option expiration day.